a tidbit from the Trail of Tears from Torsen here. A reluctance to move forward. This was what some of the tribe members felt, that they should not move, that they should stand strong within their belief system, within their right to, within their sovereignty. This is how we lived upon our lands. Our beliefs meant something, mean something. But the white man did not falter. They forced movement upon some of the tribe members that lay down. They kicked. They screamed. Wow, they clawed. They punched. They rolled. Sometimes for miles, as the feeble and the weak laid down, not having the strength to get up, for the fear of falling down again. The pain was too great. Only after much walking, many miles, did we come upon a place to sleep. This, after walking steadfast for nearly a day, we finally collapsed. There were too many of us for them to roll. They too needed their strength. So they too slept in turns. Upon their guard, we were watched and hovered over. I, the chief of the tribe, lay watch over many at a time. I did not need much sleep, as I developed a sternness of life. I develop an expansion of the mind, of the heart, of the essence of my soul, through the help of ancestors and the sun. I was allowed 2 hours of sleep. This is what my ancestors told me. 2 hours became enough after a time. I was replenished. The ancestors made sure there were distractions surrounding the white man when it was my turn to lay. There were fortunate accidents that occurred throughout the night, which interrupted taunting and waking. For their ways did not leave, but only became stronger with each day. Our focus had to be our souls, for there was nothing other than that to hang on to. Our hopes, our tears have withered. And at the forefront of my certainty and where we were headed was the love of Gaia, the love of the earth. Living things surrounded us and came alive within my dreams. A power that was withheld upon our lands became clear and evident to me in my dreams. For they injected this with their silence and filled me with the light rays of the sun, so that my light would be the guiding force of their strength, their might. Our ancestors knew and walked beside us, holding our hands and giving us hope, setting a standard for the tribe with honor. The tribe remembered as they moved forward and hung on to every string of that memory, for it too was their guide. Staring, the force of nature, were but the ancestors. As they knew when, where, and how to insert the winds, the rain, the thunder, and disrupt the many hauntings of our sleep. We woke to many starings within our faces and had no sovereignty but for our ancestors. It was through them that we survived. Their honor kept us alive.